Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Meet Your Neighbor. We have elder law attorney David Groner joining us again with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. David, glad to have you back.
Good to be here.
All right, we're still talking about the holiday season. Last week you explained to us that now is the perfect time with all of the family in town to bring up the topic of estate planning. But we have to know the difference between a will and a trust. Let's start with a will. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a will?
Absolutely. So most people think that once they do a will, they've taken care of their estate, they're good to go. And quite the opposite is true. All you've done by doing a will is you've set your heirs up to hardship, delay, and tremendous expense. And most people really don't want to do that to their heirs. So the problem with the will is it's got to go through probate, which means it's got to go to the courthouse. Your heirs have to hire lawyers. It takes time, there's delay, and if anyone contests it, the expense can be through the roof. Versus a trust, you pay for it today and it's done. The estate is settled, there is no transition once you die. The estate's already set up, your trustees already set up as to who to give to what, and things will go so much smoother and less expensive if you do it through a trust rather than a will.
And of course, if you choose, the trustees are not set in stone if you choose later down the road to change that.
Well, in the trust that we do, you can change your trustee. And normally you name one of your children as a trustee to mainly just manage your estate the way you want it. They'll do essentially what you want. But if you decide to change that and go to someone else, you reserve the right to do that. So you really don't lose control of your estate. You stay in control because you choose a trustee, you choose the beneficiaries, and that gives you peace of mind that you know you've done everything you need to do to make a smooth transition of all that you've worked hard for to go to your children.
There's so much that we can learn from David, elder law attorney again with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. You can attend his workshops that he does throughout Acadiana. The schedule of those workshops this month can be found at the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic's Facebook page, or you can give David a call at the number that you see on your screen.